So my thoughts are for this last scale, mounting it something like that, attaching the one piece to the bar that goes up and down, and securing this to this cover. So we're going to need to make a little bit of a piece here of some sorts to do that, but I think that's going to be probably the quickest and the easiest, and maybe the cleanest. I like to keep this piece on there. I've seen some other folks where they've removed that and attached it to the body of the mill and stuff like that, but just for optics, I'd like to keep this cover back on there. So I'm gonna have to do some rummaging around, see or go buy some material or a block or some sorts like that. The biggest challenge with this is that it is sloped, so but if I can work my way around that, I'm gonna say attach that on. So I think what I'll do is I'll probably have to go buy some aluminum, piece of flat bar aluminum, attach it into here with a bit of a machine out an L shape there, backwards L. So if I get a piece of flat bar aluminum, I think have it come down, it'll give me build a spacer then between the scale and the aluminum once it's bolted onto there. I think it'll become plenty stable. I'll have to have a little spacer here as well just to look after that lip, and then I can save this piece. So that's my thought anyways. I don't have that piece of material on hand, so I'll have to definitely go get a piece this week here, and we'll probably wrap that up. And so I'll probably run the mill without this piece for now. Not a big deal, just so we'll bring you back when I'm ready to do the next part. There we go, everybody. So I've got the Z-axis mounted now, working. Tidied up the cables, tied them up, got them run pretty good, I think, so that they're out of the way. So everything seems to be working okay. So but yeah, got everything, all the scales working now, so now just need to get some projects and get going. So I am going to make some covers for the scale here yet, for this one especially. I'm going to have to do some bending with some material and stuff like that to make it work, but there we go. That's the last scale up and working now, the Z one. Thanks everybody. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to comment. Bye for now.